Hello students, in previous part we will discuss about the different components which are help in photosynthesis process and discussed about the pigments, and in this part we will discuss on light. Light is absorbed by the plant which is depend on quality. What is the quality of light? As we know that the light is categorized, the light rays are categorized into three subgroups on the basis of wavelength. मीन्स लाइट की क्वालिटी किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है? वेवलेंथ के ऊपर. इस वेवलेंथ के आधार पर हम लाइट रेज को या लाइट को, सनलाइट को किस वे में थ्री सब ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. यूवी रेडिएशंस, विजिबल लाइट, and third one is infrared radiations. So we can categorize the light rays on the basis of wavelength in three subgroups: UV radiations, visible light and infrared. Visible light, the wavelength of visible light is 400 nm नैनोमीटर से 700 नैनोमीटर के आसपास होता है. जिस लाइट के वेवलेंथ में we can see as well as plant can photosynthesis process can be completed, that is known as visible light, and its wavelength is 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The light whose wavelength is lower than 400 nm, those radiations are known as UV radiations, and the radiation which have the wavelength more than 700, those are called infrared radiations. We will discuss on this part, visible light. The light spectrum is absorbed by the pigments. As we know that different pigments absorb different wavelength of or different spectrum of light. This is called absorption spectrum. This is called absorption spectrum. We can measure the absorption spectrum with a device that is called photospectrometer. Photospectrometer means which type of pigments can absorb the different spectrum of the wavelength of sunlight, and the device by which we can measure the absorption spectrum is known as photospectrometer. We can represent this absorption, different pigment absorb different spectrum of the light with the help of a graphical representation. This is the graphical representation. We start from the visible light. Visible light, the wavelength of visible light start from 400 nm to 700 nm. Means it contains 500 nm, 600 nm. And the spectrum of light, a band of colorful which reflect which pass through the glass prism and split into 7 color. This band of 7 color is known as VIBGYOR, which is represent just below it, VIBGYOR. This is the spectrum of light. The chlorophyll A, we separately differentiate chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoid, and phycobilin. These are the four components, four pigments which receive the sunlight from different wavelength. Chlorophyll A, as the sunlight fall on the plants at the surface of the leaves, chlorophyll A absorb the sunlight and it makes a two peak, just as this one like structures. Chlorophyll A contains peak which is absorbed in the blue spectrum as well as red. There are two peaks are produced by the chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A represented by the red color. So this peak, this curve is chlorophyll A. And chlorophyll B is also absorb the spectrum of just like as a chlorophyll B. Sorry, chlorophyll A, and this is chlorophyll B. Just is also makes two peaks. Means chlorophyll A किसको ऑब्जर्व करता है? chlorophyll A ब्लू और रेड को, blue and red. Whereas chlorophyll B is also absorbed by the plant during the photosynthesis in the B or R region, means blue or red regions. Both are absorbed. Most common chlorophyll A and B. These chlorophyll are found in all plants which take the process of photosynthesis. Carotenoid, as we have discussed, this is carotenoid. It contains lutein. So carotenoid can absorb the wavelength of different. It makes a single peak, and that is only blue and green. Blue and green, it makes a higher peak because in this region it can absorb the higher sunlight. So this is the action center of the carotenoid. So it is absorbed in blue and green region. Phycobilin. Phycobilin only show just a peak in the green or yellow region and may fall off. So on the basis of this graphical representation, we can say that chlorophyll A and B plays very important role in photosynthesis process in place of carotenoid and phycobilin. These pigments also help in photosynthesis process, but not so high just as chlorophyll A and B. So this was also observed by the Engelmann. Engelmann experiment showed that T.W. Engelmann. He also showed that when he took the experiment on cladophora, he took a medium and in which cladophora are shown, and this is the aquatic medium. As the sunlight passes through the glass prism, it split into 7 components which make this one like structures. After some time later, Engelmann saw that at the region B, blue and red, there are many cladophora produced. यानी हाइयर फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस कहां हो रही थी? बी और रेड रीजन के ऊपर. क्यों? एक्सेस अमाउंट में बबल्स बन रहे थे. यहाँ पे बबल्स किसके बनेंगे? ऑक्सीजन गैस के, which is already proposed by Joseph Priestley in 1774. There are most number of cladophora are produced and the number of bubbles of gas O2 is also produced. So we can say that chlorophyll A just behaves like as cladophora because chlorophyll A is absorbed the two main major components of the white light, B blue and R red in color. If we represent this is on the graphical representation, cladophora ka, these are the cladophora. Cladophora are the blue algae, blue green algae. You can say that BGA, blue green algae. As we show the cladophora, then we can say that two peaks are also produced. Two peaks means blue regions and as well as red regions. This is the cladophora representation, but we have only representation the different wavelength of light which is absorbed by the different pigments of the plants: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoid and phycobilin. As we have discussed in this graphical representation, This graphical representation is represented by the special device by which we can see the that photospectrometer. The device which measure the spectrum absorbed by the photosynthesis plants during the absorption, that is called photospectrometer. This is the absorption spectrum. As we show that if the highest number of spectrum is absorbed by the plant, then the action spectrum is also higher. मीन्स प्लांट जितना ज्यादा सनलाइट के कंपोनेंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा उतना ही फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस को इंक्रीज करेगा. सो वी कैन सी दैट इन ब्लू एंड आर रीजन द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस absorption is higher as well as the process production is also higher. So this is the pigment on which we can say that the photosynthesis process can be take place light.